Brace yourselves for a journey into the future of automotive technology. Prepare to be captivated by the allure of the Lexus LX600, a marvel of 2024, blending power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned as we uncover the marvel that is the Lexus LX600 3.5L 2024. Welcome to the world of Lexus LX600 3.5 litres 2024. This is a machine that stands alone in the realm of luxury SUVs. It's a harmonious blend of sophistication and raw power. Just look at those exterior lines, sleek and modern, cutting through the air with effortless grace. The design is not merely aesthetic, but aerodynamic, seamlessly merging form and function. Now let's transition into the interior, a sanctuary of opulence and comfort. Here, every journey becomes a first-class experience. Plush seating, meticulous craftsmanship, and an attention to detail that's second to none. The dashboard, a testament to the future, brims with state-of-the-art technology, putting a world of information and entertainment at your fingertips. But this is just the surface. Now let's delve into the heart of this beast, its technology. The Lexus LX600 is not just a car, it's a technological marvel. This luxurious beast hides beneath its hood a powerful 3.5-litre engine. This engine isn't just about raw power. It's a perfect blend of performance and efficiency. It's an engineering feat that Lexus has achieved, balancing power with fuel economy. The Lexus LX600 is a testament to the technological prowess of Lexus. Every aspect of this car screams advanced technology. Let's start with the powertrain. The 3.5-litre engine is a marvel of modern engineering. It uses advanced technologies to deliver exceptional performance and efficiency. This engine is the heart of the Lexus LX600, pumping out power and performance at every turn. But the Lexus LX600 isn't just about power and performance, it's about using technology to create a safer driving experience. This car is packed with high-tech safety features. Features that not only protect you in the event of an accident, but also help to prevent one from happening in the first place. Systems like the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and lane departure alert with steering assist are designed to anticipate potential dangers and react to them before you even have a chance. These features are your extra set of eyes on the road, always vigilant, always ready. And the technology in the Lexus LX600 extends beyond just safety. The car is equipped with the latest in connectivity and entertainment systems, ensuring you're always connected, always entertained. The LX600 is a rolling tech hub, a mobile command center for the modern driver. And let's not forget about the advanced fuel economy features. The LX600 is designed to maximize every drop of fuel, using advanced technologies to ensure you get the most out of your fuel. It's a car that understands the importance of efficiency, of being green, but the technological prowess of this car doesn't stop there. The Lexus LX600 3.5L 2024 is a digital powerhouse. Now let's delve into the digital aspects of this beast of a vehicle. Starting with the infotainment system, it's more than just a radio or a music player. It's a comprehensive entertainment hub that provides an immersive, high-quality audio-visual experience. Whether you're navigating through city streets or enjoying your favorite tunes, the infotainment system of the LX600 is designed to keep you engaged and entertained. But it's not just about entertainment. The LX600's infotainment system also serves as an interactive guide, providing real-time navigation assistance. It's like having a virtual co-pilot guiding you through every turn and detour, ensuring you never lose your way. The LX600 takes connectivity to the next level. With an array of features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and smartphone integration, you're always connected to the world outside, even while you're cocooned in the luxurious comfort of your car. Whether you need to make a call, send a message, or check your social media updates, the LX600 makes it possible without you having to take your hands off the wheel. The digital instrument cluster is another noteworthy aspect of the LX600's digital dominance. It presents all crucial driving information in a clear, easy-to-read format. From speed to fuel levels, from engine health to tire pressure, everything is just a glance away. This not only makes driving safer, but also adds to the overall driving pleasure. Despite being loaded with advanced technology, the LX600 is remarkably easy to operate. Lexus has ensured that every feature, every control is intuitive and user-friendly. Even those who aren't tech-savvy can navigate through the myriad of features with ease. In conclusion, the digital features of the Lexus LX600 3.5L 2024 enhance the driving experience, making it more enjoyable, safer, and more connected. This car truly is a testament to Lexus's commitment to innovation. Feeling curious about the driving experience? Well, let's dive right in. Driving the Lexus LX600 is an experience that effortlessly blends luxury with power. The 3.5-litre V6 engine purrs beneath the hood, responding to your lightest touch with a lively burst of acceleration. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, ensuring a seamless drive whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. Now let's talk about handling. The LX600 is designed with an adaptive variable suspension that adjusts to the road's conditions. This means you can expect a smooth, comfortable ride even when the road gets rough. Plus, the multi-terrain select system with its 5 drive modes lets you customize your driving experience based on your environment. Whether it's sand, rock, mud or snow, the LX600 is more than capable of handling it. And what about braking? Lexus has incorporated an electronically controlled braking system that adjusts brake pressure in real time depending on driving conditions. Whether you need to make a sudden stop or a gentle slowdown, the LX600 has got you covered. But it's not just about raw power and control, it's about the feel of the drive. The LX600's cabin is whisper quiet, thanks to Lexus's active noise control technology. The seats are plush and comfortable, and the steering wheel feels firm yet responsive in your hands. And of course, there's the heads-up display, which projects vital information onto the windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. It's just another way Lexus has worked to ensure that your driving experience is as safe and comfortable as possible. In essence, the Lexus LX600 3.5-litre 2024 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. A statement of power, luxury and technological prowess. A statement that you're not just driving a car, you're driving a Lexus. The Lexus LX600 3.5L 2024 has truly redefined the driving experience. The Lexus LX600 3.5L 2024 is a glimpse into the future of Lexus. This luxury SUV is a game-changer, a harbinger of the future not only for Lexus but for the automotive industry as a whole. In the LX600, Lexus has seamlessly combined the sublime comfort of a luxury vehicle with the advanced technology of the future. The 3.5-litre engine is a testament to the brand's commitment to power and performance. Yet it's not just about the raw power. Lexus has also placed a strong emphasis on sustainability and efficiency, setting a new standard for luxury SUVs. This vehicle is a clear indication of the direction Lexus is heading. Innovation, luxury, and a commitment to superior performance are all integral parts of their roadmap. The Lexus LX600 3.5L 2024 is not just a car, but a statement of intent from Lexus. It's a promise of the future, a glimpse into what's to come. The Lexus LX600 3.5L 2024 is indeed a celebration of technology. It's a testament to the genius of human innovation and the endless pursuit of perfection. We've delved into the intricate details of this automotive marvel, from its unveiling to the state-of-the-art technology that powers it. This Lexus isn't just a car, it's a symbol of the future. A future where technology and comfort coalesce to create an unparalleled driving experience. The LX600, with its robust 3.5-litre engine and intricate electrical system, is the epitome of this vision. It's a vision that Lexus has brought to life with an exceptional level of craftsmanship. We've explored the digital dominance of the LX600, a car that's as smart as it is powerful. Behind the wheel, every journey becomes an adventure, a testament to the sheer joy of driving. The LX600 is a vehicle that doesn't just get you from point A to point B, it transforms every trip into an unforgettable experience. And what about the future? Well, if the LX600 is any indication, the future of Lexus is brighter than ever. A future filled with cutting-edge technology, unrivaled comfort, and a dedication to excellence that's second to none. So if you're as fascinated by this technological masterpiece as we are, don't forget to show your appreciation by liking this video. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest in automotive excellence. And with that, we conclude our journey into the world of the Lexus LX 600 3.5L 2024. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep driving.